difference between learned, spelled with an ED, and learned, spelled with a T. In order to learn the difference between these two words, we first need to understand that both learned and learnt are the past tense as well as past participle of the verb to learn. So I can say, I learned a new song yesterday. I can also say, I learned a new song yesterday. So what's the difference? Both of these words are correct and they both mean the same thing. The only difference is that learned, spelled with a T, is British English, and learned, spelled with an ED, is American English. Did you know that the word learned, spelled with an ED, can also be used as an adjective? An adjective is a word which we use to describe a person or thing. In this case, when we use learned as an adjective, we pronounce it as learned. So if I say that someone is a learned person, I mean that they are well educated and they have a lot of knowledge. And that is the end of the lesson. If you found this lesson useful, go ahead and give it a like. And I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.